Hello, fellow learners! If you're just starting on or need to review the basic multiplication facts, one tool is the multiplication table, which is also known as the times table. The two most common tables are the 0s to 12s facts and the 1s to 12s facts. You'll be shown these tables in a larger size later in the video. Just a quick note, there are names for the different parts of a multiplication equation. Each number that is being multiplied is called a factor. The answer is called the product. So, how can you use a multiplication table? First, let's go over its main parts. This here is a partial table for the examples that we will be going over later. The top row and the first column contain the factors, which are the numbers you are multiplying together. The rest of the table shows the products, or the answers. Once you know the numbers you need to multiply, you can look for the first factor in the top row. Then, look for the second factor in the first column. To find the product, look at where they meet by looking down from the top row factor and then across from the first column factor. A cool thing about the table is that you can also find a product by looking up a factor in the first column and then the other factor in the top row. Let's go over some examples. How do you find the answer to 2 times 2? Remember, you can start with the top row or the first column. Let's start with the top row. Find the first factor, which is 2, and then follow the column down until you find where the second factor, which is also a 2, is in the first column. Where they meet shows 4. So the product of 2 times 2 is 4. Notice the answer is still 4 when you start with the first column instead. Let's try another one. 3 times 7. We'll start with the first column this time. Look for the 3, and then look at the top row for 7. Where do they meet? 21. What is the turnaround fact for 3 times 7? You just need to switch the factors. So you get 7 times 3. The order of the factors changed, but the product is still 21. You can double check by using the table. Let's try one more. 12 times 4. Pause the video to try to figure out the answer and the turnaround fact. When you have your answers, continue the video. Did you get 48? How about the turnaround fact? 4 times 12 equals 48. So which table should you use? You probably will need to know the 0s to 12s facts, so you could start with this table. But notice that the product is 0 for all of the 0s facts. 0 times another number is simply 0. The other commonly used table is the 1s to 12s facts. You may have noticed one in a composition book you use in school. What do you notice about the 1s facts? A number multiplied by 1 is the same number. So once you're confident in the 0s and 1s facts, you could use a table that starts with the 2s facts if it helps you to focus better on what you still need to learn. Some other things you might want to consider is you can memorize a table by rows or columns. And use a table that you find most helpful. Use one the whole time or switch to another. Remember, practice often. You may even find patterns that can help you. Also, rewatch this video and take notes if you haven't already done so. Everyone learns differently, so try different ways like going over the facts silently or out loud. Writing down the facts, using flashcards, and practice worksheets can also be useful. Just continue watching the video if you would like to study using the tables. We have different views to choose from. Each will show for about 5 seconds, so pause on the one you want to use. If you want further practice, we will have links to our video-based flashcards and worksheets in the description below and/or on our channel page. We love that you're learning. Keep up the good work!